What's up guys, this is Shogat and today I will be doing the unboxing of this one. So as you can see, I have bought this from Flipkart, and before you get started, make sure that you have pressed the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified for our future videos. So once you did it, let's get started. So as you can see guys, this is from Flipkart and I get this of around 13,000 rupees, and it was an offer. So let me just quickly open the plastic wrapper. I think this must be the invoice of this. Yeah, this is the invoice. So this is the main packaging. So this is it, and as you can see, there are some specs overview, and it says that dual camera with 2x optical zoom, pure Android. As we all know, this is the Android one. Actually, Xiaomi tied up with Google for launching this phone, and the phone is powered by Snapdragon 625 processor, which was built with the 14 nanometer technology, and this is the 5.5-inch full HD IPS screen. So let me just quickly open this up. And as you can see, this is the 4GB and 64GB variant. That means internal memory of this one is 64GB. So as you can see, I'm going to unbox this, and this is actually looks like the typical Xiaomi boxes. And let me just peel off this. Oh, it's too hard. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is the main handset, and it's look gorgeous. As you can see, this is the golden one, and it look really premium and feels in my hand. That's great. I mean, really, in this price range, I think no one can beat Xiaomi. So let me just quickly side this. Wow. I mean, wow, seriously. It's completely surprising, man. So as you can see, this might be the Type C. Let me just quickly check this out. Yeah, this is the Type C one, and this is quite surprising because in this price range, none of the brands are providing the Type C port in their smartphone. So let me just quickly check out the power brick. So this is the power brick, and no, it's not a fast charger. It's 5 volt at 2 ampere. So this is not a fast charger. Let me just quickly open this up. There are some booklets and warranty stuffs. So let me just keep these things to the side, and I'm back. I will be back with my main handset. So actually I forgot to show the SIM ejector tool. So there it is. So let me just show you the SIM tray. So as you can clearly see that there is a nano SIM card, and there is a micro SD card. There will be a micro SD card, and this is an hybrid. This is a hybrid solution that we get in Xiaomi Android one, but the quality is not that great. I mean, you should be careful in inserting this. So let me just peel up the plastic. So as you can see, this is the Type C port, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and this is the speaker grill, and the fingerprint scanner, dual LED flash, the telephoto lens, the normal lens, and the infrared, I mean the remote sensor. So let me just quickly boot this up. So as you can see, this is the MI branding, and I think the display looks really good, and I think the quality of the display is good enough. So while this is booting up, let me actually give you the configuration overview. So now I will be adding my fingerprint, and I think this will be as I mean typical Xiaomi experience that you get. Wow, it's looking great. So let's see how the fingerprint work. Pattern is required. Why? Yeah, it is quite quick and quite responsive that you get. So let's first check this out, the Android version that we are getting. So as you can see, this is running on the NuGet, and this is Android 7.1.2. So I think we will be getting the update of Android Oreo earlier. So let me just quickly set up my VLAN. So as you can see, the device update has already come. So let me just quickly check this out. For the bug fix, I think this will be getting the Android Oreo update, and I will be discuss about this later on. Let's just quickly open up the camera, because the main highlight of the phone is the camera. So as you can see, there are some sample shots that I'm going to take. The focus is not that clear because this is an object, and actually this telephoto lens is not that modified to focus the object. So I will be sharing some sample shots in this video after 1 or 10. So I will be taking some sample shots, and I will be put that sample shots in this video, so that you can get some idea of the depth mode or the portrait mode of this. So as you can see, the additional I don't need to set up the all Google accounts, because this is the phone is not mine. So I will be just doing this same procedure after it updated, then I will continue the video. So that's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next one.